No, I'm not going to make muffins or cupcakes or whatever sweet treats. So do you remember the potatoes that I made in the one video, the potato skins, the crispy potato skins? Ooh, they were so delicious. And then I had saved the potatoes, the bulk of the potatoes, peeled of course, because the skins I used for the crispy skin recipes. Check out my video in the description of this video. So tonight, to pair with a special dinner, we're going to use the peeled potatoes that have been sitting in the refrigerator for days now over the weekend. Check them out here. They are still very much not brown. Looks very much like I just peeled them. Soaking them in water, sticking them in the refrigerator helps to prevent the browning even after days. We're going to spiral them up in a spiraler, if I'm saying that right, and I'm going to make a crispy potato bird's nest that will be a garnish to the duck in the orange sauce, or duck à l'orange in French, inspired by French cuisines. But tonight is all going to be about the crispy potato, and we're going to form them into a nest. We're going to form them in this tin. Ooh, look how beautiful these are. And they are perfectly crispy. They smell wonderful from the truffle and garlic Parmesan mixture that I put in there. And I can't wait to add to these little bird's nests. You can do guacamole, you can do a little salad, you can do ceviche, whatever you want.